Salam sejahtera and good morning everyone. Are you all ready to learn the topic of straight line?
Yes.
Ready.
Okay, good. Please take note class, our today lessons only focus on a subtopic of gradients of parallel lines. Hence, the objective for today's lesson is to study on how to determine whether two straight lines are parallel with each other based on their gradient value. Before we start today's lessons, I would like to remind everyone, please pay full attention during online class. And if you have any question during online class, you can press the raise hand button. Okay, let me start with a quick recap. Do you still remember what is the equation of straight line?
Yes.
Yes, what is the equation?
Y equal to
Y
mx plus c.
Yes, good job. The equation of straight line is y equal to mx plus c, where m represent the gradients and c represent the y-intercept. Can you see this picture?
Yes.
Okay, this picture shows two straight lines that are parallel with each other. Just now, we already recall back the equation of the straight line. Based on this picture, can you identify one similarity found in the equation of these two straight lines? Sazwani, what is your opinion?
I think they have the same value of gradients.
Yes, your answer is true.
Eh,
So based on this picture, we can see that M1 is equal to M2 equal to 2. Thus, what we can conclude from the previous activity is straight lines that have the same gradients are parallel. Class, please take note on this definition since we will use it later to make a conclusion. Now, we will learn the most important step in these subtopics. Are you ready?
yes, I'm ready.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, the first step is we need to rearrange the equation of straight line in the form of y equal to mx plus c. The second step is we need to list out the gradient value for both straight line. The third step, we need to check whether the gradient of both straight lines are equal or not. And the last step, we need to make conclusion whether the straight line is parallel. Do you have any question?
So far, so good.
Okay, if you don't have any question, we proceed to the example. The question is determines whether the straight line y minus 3x equal to 10 is parallel to the straight line 3y equal to 9x minus 12. Based on the step we just learned earlier, the first step that we need to do is rearrange the equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c. The next step is we need to determine the value of gradient. Do they have the same gradient value, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Therefore, based on the definition that we have learned, our conclusion is since the gradient of both straight lines are equal, thus line y minus 3x equal to 10 is parallel to the 3y equal to 9x minus 12. Do you guys have any question?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay. So it is time for the quiz. Anyway, class, I hope all of you please be ready because I will call your name randomly to answer the question. Okay, for the first questions, find the slope of straight line equations 4x minus 2y equal to 12. Okay, Nurhaida, what is your answer?
A. M equal to 2.
Okay, let me check your answer together. Wow, you got a correct answer. Let me check the solution.
Yay.
Good job. Okay. So, in order to find the slope of straight line, we need to rearrange the equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Do you guys have any question?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay, if no, let me move to the question 2. Find the slope of straight line 3y minus 18 equal to 15x. For your information, the way to solve this question is the same as question 1. I want to call Fatin. Can you tell your answer?
I think it's C, teacher.
Okay, let me check your answer. Wow, your answer is correct. Good job. Do you have any question on this solution?
No.
Okay, if
No.
no, let me move to the last question. Based on question 1 and question 2, determines whether these two straight lines is parallel with each other. I want Shara. Can you tell the answer?
I think it's B.
B. Okay, let me check. Wow, good job. I'm so proud of you. Okay, can you tell the reasons why they are not parallel?
Because the gradient value of both straight line is different.
Yes. They are not parallel because the gradient of both straight line is different or is not equal. Good job, everyone. So we have done with this quiz. Okay, we have reached the end of the lessons. Therefore, you should able to determine the gradient values and make inference based on the gradient values. So, the conclusion that we can make is, if the gradient of both straight lines are equal, then the two straight lines are parallel with each other. In contrast, if the gradient of both straight lines are not equal, then what, class?
They
Anissa?
are not parallel.
Yes, true. Then the two straight lines are not parallel with each other. Okay, class, that's all for today. Do you all enjoy our class?
Yes.
Yes, I love it.
Okay. See you again in the next class, and thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you,
Thank
teacher.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher.
Thank you, teacher.